नमस्कार मनोरमा एजुकेशन चैनल को स्वागत जनाई आज वीडियो आरंभ करिवा।
सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम अगेन टू दिस चैनल। तो बहुत दिन है वीडियो छाड़ाएनी, तो आज आम ये वीडियो रे क्लास 10 रो चैप्टर 6 रे थिबा मिजबिल द ऑटर चैप्टर 2 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर आरंभ करबा। सो फ्रेंड्स, वर्तमान ओरल कंपैरिजन चेक रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रे देखबा कोन क्वेश्चन अछि। व्हाट एक्सपेरिमेंट डिड मैक्सवेल थिंक केमोस्फेरिया वुड बी सुटेबल फॉर? तो यार आंसर है वो Maxwell had traveled to southern Iraq in early 1956 when he came up with the desire to keep an otter instead of a dog. He thought that Camospania, which is surrounded by water, is close to its entrance and would make a good location for the trial of keeping an otter as a pet. So question number 2. So next question कौन अच्छी देखिबा. Why does he go to Basra? How long does he wait there and why? Your answer was Gavin Maxwell, the author, traveled to Basra with a friend to the Consulate General to collect and respond to their mail from Europe. But they found that while the author's mail had not arrived, his friends had. Maxwell cabled to England, and when 3 days later nothing had happened, he tried to telephone. On the first day, the line was not in order. On the second day, the exchange was closed due to a religious holiday. Another breakdown occurred on the third day. Finally, after 5 days, the author's mail arrived. Question number 3. How does he get the author? Does he like it? Pick out the words that you tell this. When the author received his mail, he carried it to his bedroom to read. There he saw two Arabs with a sack that twisted from time to time. They handed him a note from his friend saying he had sent him an otter. Yes, we can say that he liked it. He felt a new phase had begun in his life, which he wished would never end. He had developed an otter fixation, a strong attachment towards otters shared by most people who own one. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ next question କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖିବା. Question number 4. Why was the otter named Maxwell's otter? तो यार आंसर है वो The zoologist named the otter Lutrogel perspicillata maxwelli. In short, it was called Maxwell's otter. Question number 5. Pick the right answer. In the beginning, the otter was. तो यार आंसर है वो In the beginning, the otter was aloof and indifferent. He was neither hostile nor friendly. Question number 6. What happened and when Maxwell took Mitchell to the bathroom? What did it do 2 days after that? Your answer. When Maxwell took Mitchell to the bathroom, the otter went wild with joy in the water for half an hour. It was plunging and rolling in it, shooting up and down the length of the bathtub underwater and making enough slosh and splash for a hippo. 2 days after that, it escaped from his bedroom to the bathroom. By the time Maxwell had reached, Miss Bill was up on the end of the bathtub and fumbling at the chromium taps with its paws. In less than a minute, it had turned the tap for enough to produce some water and after a moment achieved the full flow. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ next oral comprehension check ର question answer ଆମର କର. Question number 1. How was Miss to be transferred to England? Air answer. The British airline to London did not fly animals, so Maxwell booked a flight to Paris with another airline and from there flew to London. The airline insisted that Miss be packed into a box not more than 18 inches square and carried on the floor at the author's feet. Question number 2. What did Miss do to the box? Air answer. Maxwell arranged for the box in which Midge was to be carried on the flight to London. He put Midge inside the box 1 hour before the flight to make him accustomed to the box and left grab a quick meal. When he returned, there was complete silence from the box. Blood was coming down from the air holes and lid. He had torn the lining of the box to shreds to escape from it. Question number 3. Why did Maxwell put the otter back in the box? How do you think he felt when he did this? Our answer. Mitch hurt himself in the author's attempt to accustomed the otter to the box in which he would be transported to London. Mitch tore the box lining to pieces as he struggled to get out, harming himself in the process. It was 10 minutes before their flight when the author discovered Midge in this state. Midge had to be packed into the box as he hurried to the airport. He must have felt sorry for the otter because of how he had hurt himself. Moreover, he must be worried as well. Question number 4. Why does Maxwell say the air hostess was the very queen of her kind? Air answer. Maxwell said that the air hostess was the very queen of her kind because she was kind and helpful. He took the air hostess into confidence about the incident with the box. She understood the situation and suggested he might prefer to have his pet on his knee. Hearing this, the author developed a profound admiration for the air hostess. She understood the pain of both the otter and its owner. Question number 5. What happened when the box was opened? Your answer. Midge escaped the box as soon as it was opened. He disappeared at high speed down the aircraft. There was there were cries and chaos all around. A woman stood up in her seat, screaming. Maxwell saw Midge's tail disappearing beneath the legs of a white turbaned Indian. He tried to catch it out but missed. The air hostess, with a charming smile, suggested that the author should sit and that she would find the author for him. After a while, Midge returned to him. He climbed on the author's knee and began to rub his nose on his face and neck. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନେକ୍ସଟ oral comprehension checkର question answer ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା. Question number 1. What game had Midge invented? So ଏହାର answer ହେବ Midge invented a game with the ping pong ball which could keep him busy for up to half an hour. A suitcase had been damaged on the journey home, so the lid, when closed, remained at a slope from one end to the other. Midge discovered that if he placed the ball on the high end and dashed around to the other end to ambush its arrival, hide from it, crouching, spring up, and take it by surprise, grab it and trot off with it to the high end again. Vartaman question number 2. What are compulsive habits? What does Maxwell say are the compulsive habits of B2 school children? B2 Midge. So Vartaman your answer ହେବ compulsive habits are habits without clear reason or control. In the story, Maxwell mentions the rituals of children who, on their way to and from school, must place their feet squarely on the center of each paving block, must touch every seventh upright of the iron railings, or pass to the outside of every second lamp post. Similarly, Midge had made it a habit to jump onto the school wall and gallop along its 30 yards length. Bottom question number 3. What group of animals do otters belong to? Our answer. Otters belong to a comparatively small group of animals called mustelines, shared by the badger, mongoose, weasel, stoat, mink, and others. Question number 4. What guesses did the Londoners make about what Mitch was? Our answer was the author did not find it strange that the average Londoner does not recognize an otter. However, the author received some random guesses about who Mitch was. They guessed it was a baby seal, a squirrel, a walrus, a hippo, a beaver, a bear cub, a leopard, and a brontosaur. The most surprising of all was when a laborer asked the author what it was supposed to be. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ thinking about the text ର question answer ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା. Question number 1 ରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖିବା. What things does Mitch do which tell you that he is an intelligent, friendly, and fun-loving animal who needs love? Our answer. Mitch was an intelligent animal. He invented his own game out of ping pong balls and a broken suitcase of the author. Another instance of his intelligence was when he opened the tap in the bathroom. He screwed the tap till water began to flow, and then he would play and splash in the water. Though Midge was aloof and indifferent initially, he soon became friendly. He formed a special attachment with Maxwell and responded when Maxwell called out his name. He grew desperate when Maxwell left him in a box and he got hurt while trying to escape it. When let out, he clung to the other's feet. He was a fun-loving animal who enjoyed playing games with various toys, ping pong balls, marbles, rubber fruit, and a terrapin shell. Question number 2. What are some of the things we come to know about otters from this text? Your answer. We learn a lot of things about otters through this text. Otters belong to a comparatively small group of animals called mustelines, shared by the badger, mongoose, weasel, stork, mink, and others. They are found in large numbers in masses, often tamed by the Arabs. It is characteristic of otters that every drop of water must be extended and spread about the place. A bowl must be overturned, or if it will not be overturned, be set in and splashed in until it overflowed. For them, water must be kept on the move. Otters are intelligent, fun-loving animals who love playing various games, especially with a ball. Question number 3. Why is Smith's species now known to the world as Maxwell's otter? Your answer. Maxwell's otter was of a race previously unknown to science and was at length named by zoologist Lutrogel Perspicillata maxwelli or Maxwell's otter. Question number 4. Maxwell in the story speaks for the otter means he tells us what the otter feels and thinks on different occasions. Given below are some things the otter does. Complete the column on the right to say what Maxwell says about the what Miss feel and thinks. तो फर्स्ट कॉलम रे अछि व्हाट मिस डज सेकंड कॉलम रे अछि हाउ मिस फील्स और थिंग्स तो फर्स्ट कॉलम रे कोन कोन अछि प्लंजेस रोल्स इन द वाटर एंड मेक्स द वाटर स्प्लॉश एंड स्प्लैश तो यार आंसर है ही थिंक्स इट इज हैप्पी एंड हैविंग फन तो व्हाट मिस डज कॉलम रे नेक्स्ट कोन अछि स्क्रूज द टफ इन द रॉन्ग वे तो यार आंसर है ही चीटर्स विथ इरिटेशन एंड डिसअपॉइंटमेंट Next कौन अच्छी nuzzles Maxwell's face and neck in the aeroplane. Your answer हो he feels much comfort and content after his distressed cheater. Question number 5. Read the story and find the sentences where Maxwell describe his pet otter. Then choose and arrange your sentences to illustrate those statements below that you think are true. तो कौन अच्छी देखा Maxwell's description. Bit 1 अच्छी makes Mitch seem almost human like a small boy. Her answer true. He spent the majority of his time playing. Bit 2 रे कौन अच्छी shows that he is often irritated with what Mitch does. Her answer was false. Bit 3 रे shows that he is often surprised by what Mitch does. Her answer true. I stood there in awe as he cranked the tap far enough to generate a trickle of water in far less than a minute, then increased the flow to full flow after a few moments. तो बीट 5 रे कौन होगा ऑफ मिथ्स एंटिक्स इज कॉमिकल यार आंसर फॉल्स नेक्स्ट बीट 5 shows that he observes the antics of Midge very carefully यार आंसर है true on his way home a bag I had brought to Iraq had been broken and the top when closed stared at a slope from one end to other. Midge realized that if he put the ball on top of the luggage, it would roll down the length of it. He had thus around to the opposite end to ambush its arrival, hide from it while crouched, then jump up and catch it off guard, grab it, and try and trot away with it. Next bit 6 shows that he thinks Mitch is a very ordinary otter. Your answer was false. Next bit 7 shows that he thinks the otter is very unusual. Your answer was true. It's not surprising that the typical Londoner does not recognize an otter, but the wide range of answers as to what kind of animal this is surprised me. Mitch was far from an otter. So friends आज ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି next video ରେ chapter 7 ର question answer ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା. Thanks for watching my video.